How to verify your age on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways to verify your age on Roblox. In order to verify your age on Roblox, you must be 13 and above. Only then you'll be able to verify your age on Roblox. So for that, go ahead and open up your Roblox application and make sure that the application is up to date. After you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the account info page, and while you're on this page, you can just go ahead and tap the three dot icon from the bottom right, and after that go to settings. Once you tap on the settings page, go to account info. While you're on this page, you can go ahead and select verify my age. So to verify your age on Roblox, you must provide a valid ID such as your license, such as your government ID or a passport and all that. So tap the start session button. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the web page, and while you're on this page, you can see all of the information. So it's gonna here you'll be able to see all of the guidelines and instructions on how you can actually verify your age on Roblox. Begin verifying, and after that you need to start with the procedure. So that's how you can verify your age on Roblox. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.